To start with, genital herpes is a serious and contagious venereal disease that is caused by a herpes simplex virus. This occurs to both male and females who are mostly so intimately involved with infected persons without any form of barrier like condoms. It can best be explained as being transmitted through skin-to-skin contact with contaminated persons. There are chances that one could also get cold sores from oral intercourse and also spread the sores to other body parts if they do not wash their fingers after touching the affected parts. Having told you the basic information concerning this illness, then it should be easy for you to understand the genital herpes cure. One cannot start addressing this from the question of what to use to treat this but what causes it, symptoms and eventually the treatment. The sore cause of this illness is the HSV virus, but the mode of transmission can be open for debate. Some people will experience symptoms that resemble those of flu, such as fever, joint pains and headache. One may ignore them though or take the usual painkillers for respite. However, severe signs of this illness will include sores that develop on the vulva, cervical opening, penis, scrotum, around the ends and the thighs. These sores will definitely hurt and will appear as tiny group of red sores. This is where the genital herpes cure should proceed to. You must get tested first so that you can be sure of this illness by a qualified doctor. There are prescriptions medicines that are meant to clear the sores only, but not the virus, unfortunately. Things like abstinence from sexual intercourse will be a good step to take so that you do infect innocent people or aggravate the sores. If you want to stay far from the virus attack in the future, it is important that you and your partner remain faithful to each other or use condoms if you cannot trust each other. Proper dressing will really help you and your partner to get better if you both have the sores. Too skinny and tight jeans or underpants will only make the sores worse, while loose clothing will allow free circulation of air. You should also ensure that you keep the sick areas clean and dry so that you do not invite other germs that would be happy to feed on open or exposed sores. If you are a woman, perhaps it is important for you to monitor how your vaginal discharge is varying after taking the medication. Some home remedies like garlic are also known to cause relief on any form genital infection such as the sores. Apply some juices as many times as you can afford as long as do not cause further irritation. This wonder drug, which is just but natural, has been proven to heal many other diseases, and perhaps this is all you need to get better. However, this does not exclude the fact that you could suffer a further attack in the future because the HSV viruses still remain.